Michael from Killarney here. Today we're going to replace the faulty garden tap. It's beyond repair, can't be fixed this one, so we're going to replace it. First thing we need to do is turn off the water so we can work on the tap without any trouble. Alright, here's the tools we're going to need. We need a shifter, a tap and some thread tape. So we take this old tap off. It's been repaired a few times. It's had the seat reseated a few times and it's at its end of its useful life. So it's time to replace it with a new one. Just clean up the loose thread tape off the end there. Then we put new thread tape on. We need 10 wraps clockwise for the thread tape. Just hold that with one finger to get it overlapped and then it'll grip itself, and then do your wraps. Just start your tap off by hand. Wind it on a little bit. And that's it. Replace the garden tap. If you've liked my video, give it a like, share it around. Thank you.